Well then, welcome back. You probably see that I've changed my name and also switched accounts because that's me and I do it a lot. But this time I'm going to keep it permanently because I also switched. I am on, you see, I'm just playing Hamilton that's instrumental because I don't want to get copyrighted. And I'm just praying that an ad doesn't show when it changes music. So, I have no idea what I'm doing. Frick. I guess I'll just... This will be an inventory tour. There. How about that? Like that? Okay. So I'll start with my clothing. So here we are here in the I'm inventory. So we got the rare scary bat wings. So we'll just go in the back and look at that. Just gonna take that off. Then rare bow and arrows in magenta color. You might want to look out when I get membership, which will most likely be on Thursday. I'm going to turn this down so you can actually hear me and also still hear the music. Meh, I want you to actually hear it.
Hey, it's Hannah.
And of course, Nat
Hannah
plays and I
Baker.
don't want
I'm
it.
about to tell you this.
Oh my god. I'm trying to fight back the urge to sing right now. Okay, then we got a red pirate sword, a purple star hat, candy cane horns, elf bracelets, a Jamali scarf, leg armor, Graham's wings, Graham's goggles, the entire set of gazelle horns, Eclipse watch, ibex horns, fang necklace, and elf tail armor. Then we have a black worm in an eclipse necklace. I used to have some eclipsings from the eclipse. Then we got the Jamali racing jacket, and I know for a fact these two are when they're gonna be worth longs, so I'm keeping them. So Jamali racing jacket, the candy cane socks. It just paused and I was like, what? The Panda Power backpack and the Play Wild backpack, star hat, Jamali leg armor, Jingle Bell necklace, gingerbread top hat, blue fox hat, plaid blanket, Jamali wreath hat, heart bracelet. I'm gonna make sure there's no ad, so I'm gonna pause here. So that is a new song, which is Battle of Yorktown. The world turned upside down. Holiday sweater, rare candy necklace, rare hypno glasses, black short, lollipop necklace, freedom helmet, freedom wings, Rosios hat, one spike wristband, candy cane horns, red short, spike collar. Like, I don't know what the frick this color is, but it's a fox hat, of course. Got the orange fox hat. We got my look, silver ring, purple scarf, racing jacket, and hat and curly wig. Now, time to quickly try and get through to the den items, because I have a lot of den items, obviously. So, let's get to that. Transition! So here we got the red panda plushie, treehouse, tiger plushie, giant wolf plushie, scarecrow, acorn tea set, milk and cookies, candy cane, cocoa mugs, Jamali gift gate, snow leopard mannequin, however you pronounce that, poinsettia rug. Jamalde Defense. This is go away, because I put that up if I'm want to be edgy today, or cool, whatever. Lamp, snake pennant, online safety flag, another snake pennant, snake throne, another snake pennant, Flowing Lava. So that's gonna get rare. I know that for a fact because it's from one of those mystery bottles. Mechanical Dragon Mix set, Spiderweb Hammock, Blue Sky, Egyptian Cats, 2 of them, Scary Table, Arrears Lamp, 6th Birthday Cake. This will get rare too, I bet. when it's like 10 years old. It'll be 8 this year. Congrats. Congratulations, Animal Jam. Congrats. Then there's the reader's chair, the reader's sofa, and the panda parasol. Then the panda rug. I don't know if that was good. Rare. It's from the Pandemonium. 2 blue rugs, Phantom Secret book, and Call of the Alphas. 2 story tables, another Phantom Secret and Call of the Alphas book. A striped couch, fancy banner, recycling can, another story table. There's 2 Egyptian pillows, and there's a lucky sconce. Oh my god, it's gonna take me forever. I'm just trying to get this as quick as I can, guys. There's a rare Zios coat of arms and Zios banner, and then Clever Claws dresser. I always read it as Clever Wears because I'm weird. Zios tapestry, Zios coat of arms, there's 3 of them, and there's another Zios tapestry, god dang it. Gingerbread fence gate. There's a bunch of World Animal Day banners. Jamalde spiral rug, some Jamalde ornaments. Pottery shards. Pepsi lamp, bicycle, inline skates. Got the candy bowl, the pumpkin pie, another World Animal Day banner because I have a million of those. Gingerbread streamer. Snowflake decorations, another story table because I have 2 of them you can see right here. 2 snake thrones, Mira waterfall, the rare Zios banner, rare Zios tapestry, rare Zios coat of arms, another story table, secret door bookcase, 2 locked up windows, all the cakes, then masterpieces. Stone circle, 2 wheelbarrows, Falcon trophy, fossil rug, a stone circle, bunny statue, bunny fence, kestrel, armchair, carnarvon, however you pronounce that, sofa, tiki chair, another story table, a bunny fence, owl plushie, 2 extra salty rare popcorn. Then we got mechanical dragon egg set again because I have 2 of those for some reason. Another masterpiece, a sewing machine, all the trophies. So I got everyone another snake throne and snake pennant. Then Spiderweb hammock, a Valentine pile, a bookshelf. Recycling can, Clever Claws dresser, fancy banner, Tiki torch, 2 of them, another story table. How many can you have? We're getting to the end. Blue sky, houseplant, rug, lamp, again, chair, table, couch. Now I'm gonna do a little tour of my dens. I have 2. So you can see, here's some nice little seats. All the trophies outlined this, making it glow looking so it brightens up. All the eggs, you can have enough eggs. Then my 2 stone circles, knowing me how they don't fill up the entire path. And it's 3 sink thrones. My masterpieces. The go away ones for some reason up here. Then, this is what I first did, And owl, and then there's Valentine's cards, and it's all this jazz. Let's switch to my other den, which get prepared. I've already filled it up, and it's not even filled up all the way. When I remember, I'm gonna fill it a bit more. You see, I attempted to put every single item that I owned in here. So, this is how it turns out. There's only one thing currently inside. So that was really everything. So for some reason it decided to record, and I forgot why. So, goodbye.